Researching Discover Card? Duane here with How to Build Credit TV. And in this video, I'm going to talk about my personal experience with Discover Card. But before we get started, I have a quick Once again, my name is Duane with How to Build Credit TV. This channel offers 100% free information about how to build credit, how to get cash back, actual cash money from using credit cards, as well as credit card reviews. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. All right, so I got my Discover Card back in August of 2017. I think my year's deadline will be September of this year, 2018. And I actually got the Discover It secured card. And the reason why is because I wanted to reestablish a relationship with Discover Card. I had a Discover Card when I was back in college, but I ruined that account. And so I think a little more than 7 years had passed, but I went ahead and got the secured card because I didn't want to apply and be rejected. I wanted to apply and kind of control my credit limit. So I initially opened a card with Discover Card, and my credit limit was $1,200. I deposited $1,200 with Discover Card, and then I went ahead and maxed it out at $2,500. And the reason why I did that was because I wanted to have as much purchasing power as I possibly could so that I could spend money freely on my credit card, because I actually use my credit card for every single purchase. I never use a debit card. I never use cash. As a matter of fact, it irritates me when I have to use cash because I'm like, man, I can't get any cash back because I'm not using my Discover Card. So I went ahead and maxed it out with my Discover It secured card, and the limit is $2,500, like I said. Since I've had the card, I've been able to earn a lot of cash back. I'm a little over $300 right now with cash back, and it's in April, and I think my year is going to be up in September. Hopefully I'll make around $500 in cash back, and as you already know, Discover is going to match whatever I earn in cash back after my first year of membership. So if I earn $500 in cash back, they're going to match it. That'll be $1,000. Discover Card is offering great value. I honestly can't think of another credit card that is doing what Discover is doing. Just the cash back alone is incredible. The fact that I can get 5% cash back in certain categories, up to $1,500 in specific quarters, that's really cool. And then in your first year as a member of Discover, you're gonna actually get the cash back match. So that 5% actually turns out to be 10%, which once again is incredible. There's a lot of ways for you to actually get that 5% back, excluding the quarters and what they are offering in what category. You can get cash back through Discover deals. When you get the Discover Card, there's the Discover app where you can go online and you can look in Discover deals, and there's a lot of places where you can get cash back. There's websites like Apple. You can get 5% cash back on Apple purchases. You can get 5% cash back on Walmart purchases. You can get 5% with Nike if you purchase through Discover. So there's a lot of ways to actually get cash back, excluding the quarterly categories that Discover has. My experience with Discover has been really awesome so far. As a matter of fact, when I got the secured It card, the Discover It secured card, when I got that card, my initial cashback reward program was the 2% on gas and dining, or gas and restaurants, and 1% on everything else. And then of course I had heard about the 5% cash back, and this was last Christmas, or the last quarter in 2017. And so that quarter had Amazon and Target purchases 5% cash back. So of course I went out and racked up a lot of Target and Amazon purchases thinking that I was gonna get the 5% cash back. Well, I contacted Discover just because I wanted to make sure, hey, I've done a lot of purchases with Target and Amazon. Am I eligible for the 5% cash back? I was kind of just making sure. And they told me, actually, you're not. You're actually doing the 2% on gas and restaurant and 1% on everything else. But after talking to the customer service and Discover Card being great at customer service, they decided to go ahead and honor all of the purchases that I had made with Target and Amazon and gave me 5% cash back on that. And I think for that billing cycle, I had gotten like $65 of cash back. I'll make a video showing you guys how much cash back I've gotten on each of my statements. It's actually been pretty cool, especially like in the beginning, I really wasn't paying attention to the power of getting the cash back. But as the statements went on, I started paying attention and I was like, okay, I got $39 here. That's kind of cool. And so I just kept trying to max it out. I think the max amount that I've gotten cash back in 1 month was like $106. And like I said, I'll make a video and I'll actually link the video at the top right of the screen. Whenever I put that video up, the link will be at the top right, so you guys can check that out. I'll show you my Discover Card statements and show you the cash back that I've gotten monthly that has allowed me to earn over $300 currently with the Discover Card cash back. So in other words, I guess what I'm saying in a nutshell is I've had an incredible experience with Discover Card. If you're on the fence about getting Discover Card, make sure that you continue doing your research, but more importantly, it's absolutely worth it. I mean, they're giving you a lot of value. So if you're interested in getting the Discover Card, please feel free to use the link below the description or in the description below this video. Please be sure to use that link, because in doing so, you're gonna get a $50 statement credit, and so will I, after you make your first purchase within the first 3 months, all right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to stop by my channel, have a look around. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very, very much for watching. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.